Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Issa from InCred Equities. Nifty had a very solid opening and it was comfortably cruising above the 26,000 mark. And it looked as if we'll be making a fresh lifetime high soon or the very same day. However, the second half of trading session brought in new set of challenges. There was profit booking across, and the fact that the stocks which were not participating in this entire up move in Nifty that resulted in dampening of the spirits, and Nifty gave up almost all of its gains. It closed as flat as possible. So on daily charts, the candle has been a weak one. There has been a rejection candle as such. Now 26,000, 26,050 is going to act as an immediate resistance area, and the pressure will mount as the day progresses, with the reason being that if there is no follow buying happening, the RSI as such has been in the overbought zone on the lower time frame. Sectoral participation has been limited, and if you don't see bank nifty picking up gears, the expectations of nifty also making fresh lifetime high would be more of a distant one. Having said that, the setup remains positive. Nifty is comfortably trading above its breakout zone of 25,500. Nifty is trading above its breakout of 25,700, which is the previous swing high, and as well as the ascending broadening wedge pattern. So as long as these levels sustain, Nifty is on its track towards fresh lifetime high. It may get stuck in the range of 25,500, 26,000. That is a possibility because Nifty so far has been trading in a range. The range is shifting higher, but that has been the move of Nifty in the last few weeks. In absence of global triggers, Nifty will find it difficult to outperform. Yes, US markets have been stable, mildly positive yesterday. More or less, they have seen some stability, minor positivity, but they have been lacking momentum. And that will also ensure that Nifty does not get too much of a push, sort of. The continuous selling, it is not relentless, but continuous selling by FIs is not making the task easier as well. And couple that with the fact that broader markets have not performed. So if you look at Nifty Mid Cap 100, Nifty Small Cap 100, while they have been on the positive side for the last few trading sessions, we have not seen major upside sort of coming in. They have been underperforming Nifty index. So all of these factors are the reason behind Nifty finding it difficult to hold grounds. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 40 point start as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open a flat to mild positive note. The more the times Nifty spends below 26,000, the greater the chances are Nifty will reattempt 24,500, which can be a good buying area. So safe traders can buy Nifty around 25,500, 550 spot, keep a stop loss of 100 points and play for 26,000 levels. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.